Good morning, everybody. This is the Mystic Modeler Bruce from the garage. So I put together a quick build. Took me about four days, and let me show you what I did. I did this by Atlantis. Oops. And I did this version on the back, the top one here. The USS Enterprise. It's the H-25 HUP-2. Nice kit, only 17 parts. Took most of the time painting. The instructions are absolutely nothing to it. It's all about how you want it. You can see the instructions. So this is my entry into the group build of the helicopters or heliocopters. Helicopters, I'm just teasing. And let me show you where I'm at. Hang on a minute, let me make sure I'm here. Okay, we're good. So, let's take a look. Here she is. Blades do turn. Came out really nice. I used the dark gray. I airbrushed Tamiya XF24. I put the red down first and then taped it off, and this is what I came up with. I think she looks pretty good. Tell me what you think. Leave a comment below. Now I was going to put the windows in here, but I decided not to. This is right out of the box. So I think it looks pretty cool. I've never done a helicopter before, and I painted the windshield in front. The inside is just a light gray. Like I said, the outside is the XF24 gray. And then I put all the decals on it, and here she is. Tell me what you think. Leave a comment below. I like it. I think it looks pretty cool. I hope you do too. I have some water out here. It's a little warm today. So I'm down to two things for my next build. I wouldn't mind doing another helicopter. I gotta find the right one though. But this is my group build helicopter entry. Final reveal. She looks pretty darn good. I was looking for a pilot to put in there, but I didn't have one to scale. I taped this off and painted it, as you can see. Here's the bottom. $17 parts. That was it. Tell me what you think. Now, I'm going to bring you back over here. I've got a couple things that I'm looking at building. I was thinking about, I got this from my wife. 1936 Wild One modified. It's kind of like a dirt track racer, I would think. That's what it looks like. I don't know what I'll do. I'm going to open it up and take a look at it. I kind of like it. It's different. It's by MPC. So we'll see. Or, I just got this. I'm definitely going to do this one either next or the one after. It's the McLaren. This is a 1981 kit from MPC I got. I showed you this before. And I'm going to paint it bright orange. It is orange, but I don't know if I could just pledge it. But I don't like the orange. It looks too plasticky to me. So I'm going to take all those parts out that are going to be orange and do them up. So it's going to be one of these two kits next, unless I change my mind, which happens. So that's my group entry to the helicopter build. The group build. Here it is. Nice kit. Easy. Most of the time was painting. I put a little wash up on the brushed aluminum up on top here to make it look a little worn down. But the rest of it is good. It's off the USS Enterprise. (5B) 128579. That's the number. All right. Well, tell me what you think. Leave a comment below. And I hope you like it. I want to thank all my subscribers. I want to shout out to Charlie Mack up in New England. Congratulations on 7 years on YouTube. A well-spent 7 years, buddy. You've helped me out a lot, and I really appreciate it. It's a great community. I thank all of you subscribers to my channel. Thank you very much. It's not about the subscribers, like he said. I do it because I enjoy building models and sharing it. And if you happen to like it, that's awesome. Because we build for us. We build for ourselves. We build for fun. And this is definitely fun for me. I love it. I love it. My wife got me some more corner shelves for the front bedroom, so I got more room to put things. And I'm just enjoying myself here. So, Big Charlie in Ohio, Big Charlie's Garage. I hope you're doing well. I'll give you a call. And Frankie Day, you're doing this helicopter. I want to see yours. Where's yours? That's where I got the idea of getting the pup, when I saw what you were doing with yours. So let me know what you think, Frankie. And Charlie Mack and Vince, Tom, Big Charlie's Garage, Max. Max, I'll be sending some pictures of my last couple builds. Thanks for putting them in your viewer builds. And you guys have a great day. Now, I want to shout out to everyone out there that subscribes. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. And this is the Mystic Modeler. Right here. The Mystic Modeler from the garage. You guys have a great weekend, and I'll be talking to you soon. I'll build one of those two coming up soon. Talk to you later. Peace out.